guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a crochet install using the Outre X-pression twisted up crochet braid bomb twist in 12 inches, and I have a color number 1, which is jet black. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished result, and I'm just going to show you guys how you could part it or style it using this braid pattern my sister did for me. So shout out to my sister for doing this braid pattern. And again, this here is the Outre X-pression twisted up crochet braid bomb twist in 12 inches in the color number 1. I purchased 6 packs from samsbeauty.com. and each pack cost me $6.99 per pack, and you do have to pay for a $6.99 shipping. So all in all, this hair cost me $44. Yeah, so it's fairly cheap. This hair is new, I want to say, and yeah, I just wanted to do my niece hair. She's 9 years old. School is gonna start back, so I just wanted her to have a style. And this hair is a good kid-friendly hairstyle for going back to school or just kids, period. So again, you guys, if you like this video, please like and comment under this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
So, are you gonna desk for prints?
Yeah, no, I think I got leave.
What the? Then when is the K9 unit gonna get here?
We didn't really do that.
Oh,
What are
it's
the next
pretty
steps?
like this.
I filed this report. The insurance company writes you a check. Then I try and solve a real crime.